It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba, a Melodies podcast YouTube channel semester, and there your first time or has subscribed and click the notification bell on the so. And my metro send your best subscribe na why subscribe na click the notification bell na. Am I a beba will screen so see a mesra banner with this pepe am I and that screen so mesra. This is a pepe am I say your WhatsApp number and so edas here ho. Agentry biana obetumi e dia fa ho aman bo pese ye interview na ye de wo eto ye show ne so a say na nsenya nkrofo bi etumi frɛ ebi mo kase wo ye ne omo nkasa bo mo pese ye de omo beto show ne so ye form nto so na de omo kase ye form nto so ne so ye de omo to so asem bia wo pese de ekoso wo Ghana bia wo pese wo kasa efa ho a number no WhatsApp number na that screen as here no obetumi afre yen ana obetumi a WhatsApp yen ye ne obedi nkomo o pese o make corrections bia nso a obetumi a ne sa pepepe tie for yenko ende nsem so Kennedy Japan ede nsem bi abeto abonten Kennedy Japan ede nsem bi abeto abonten eno na me pese ye kasa efa ho mesa fa cho se ne obe subscribe na we di so sa pepepe okay so yenko nsem ne so okay. Say Kennedy Japan say Ghana yem praise Akufo-Addo say we save a lot of Ghanaians from death. Say enye Akufo-Addo ananga Ghana for na dodo ebe committee suicide. Eti for bi beka say adan na Kennedy Japan wo kasa say na Kennedy Japan work as I say aden Ghana for Ghana na komuko mo ho ana but member story no so or explaining an explanation of what my say yeni aye kai say last 2 years banks be pray egu Ghana na banks are egu Ghana nenso no ebi nso aban e consolidate yomo aban through the Bank of Ghana e consolidate yomo na banks are egu Ghana no say na mensa otabo ne bank nso e ka ho yeni aye nim nsema eba ye efa eye pastor mensa otabe ho ene nsem bebre yeni aye kasa fa ho sa na de eye Kennedy Japan say Ghana for ase de yeni enkoso no because once bank ne egu ye no NDC for opposition for the aye campaign at some de aye trapia de bia mo kan say Akufo-Addo buy we good banks into no layman and you because we be asabi wo nim in same way mo what na echi a we because eneke Akufo-Addo buy banks nkwa no gugu but the Kennedy Japan can say the real explanation is say wo hwa senior na banks yi wo mo kọ senior na wo mo di ngrofo sika na nka Akufo-Addo engu bank no anfa sika anshem say yenfenti a customers na nka ebedu baby no these banks wo mo be di customers ni sika nia ama say customers ne ko ho say wo mo ko jiska sebe wo mo nya sika ni bi enje that is a Ghana for the atete senior and the ye hu say men's gold for ebi mu fremu a yenyan story say dodo na ewu no nka sa na besi say a lot of omo de omusika ekoto bank no womo de atete ebesu ediarewo say ye de sika to banka ye ba mo be say mo de sika no be man mo di sika ni na no Kennedy Japan said that is the side that say Ghana for dodo na ehwe and that is the side that say yenso yetumi ka ho asem ema Ghana for mo hu say na Akufo-Addo wan fa banks ni bi ambom and there Ghana your consolidated bank a consolidated bank na say the banks mienu se miensa bi na dia boma ya to omodin consolidated bank no na the Kennedy Japan can o say Akufo-Addo wan yesa nyama we nua wengu banks bi wan ma banks bi anya consolidated na nka Ghana for ebedru baby no yesika behye na shiria these banks no just say wo hwe senior nseme kwa Ghana for bebre na ebesu na me read some of my words na quotations from Kennedy Japan I'll quote him me quote no e won sem bia wo kan na the first quotation na me pese me quote ema munia mote asia no say was say for the decision by the government of the day to consolidate most of the struggling banks, the savings of over 1.3 million Ghanaians would have gone waste, and many may have died as a result. I say when the NPP government assumed power, it consolidated all these banks. I had my money with Royal Bank. That is on one Kasana Nanisika Royal Bank. I say I have my money with Royal Bank, and I still have my account there. If not so, the number of people who would have died in this country out of frustration would have been unimaginable. The consolidation saved 1.3 million Ghanaians who have their savings in these banks, and Akufo-Addo must be praised. Just say banks now you go, you know, or more you consolidate, you know, especially the consolidated year banks. No, the consolidation is saving 1.3 million Ghanaians. That is a what Ghana for your dodwa. Go for bako 1.3 million. Ena omusika nanka year banks no. Akufo-Addo engu banks ni bia nanka omusika ebe ya affected. It for nanka for 1.3 dia nanka ebe ya asem kese wa Ghana hapan. Nke be ya asem kese e wo Ghana ha se papa it for nke nye easy. Hey, 1.3 million it for nanka ne de ebe ya asem kese wo Ghana ha se. Now what else I say Kennedy Agyapong in giving a brief what culminated into this said not to say Kennedy Agyapong explain the entire say Akufo-Addo na wo go bank no into me be quoting was say Dufour's banks ye name ye Dufour say endeka no and as we are speaking no what they aban akokot say aban egu ne bank no na say ne bank no and no any Unibank said you know what the abaya kokot say abaya gu ne bank no you know Kennedy Agyapong kasa afa ne ho was say Dufour's banks and the rest caused a lot of havoc to the country. I keep asking, when they took money from people from Airport City, what did they use the money for? That I say asema will be say Dufour ne bank no and a woman you go on and nanka yungu omo nanka havoc you can havoc and that say to rent chem ankasa not just nanka to rent chem and nanka ebesi wo man we mu no so am Kennedy Agyapong no dey bia wo bisa say na mo sa sika na sa especially Unibank no sika mo ko Airport City ye na say Ghana ha de ye can be bia sika 40 na pan wo bo cantonment na wa bo Airport City na wa bo Trasako it was say na sika mo ko Airport City e ko jeje ye ni ano sa sika no mo de ye den. And no answer. Not to say it wasn't even a rhetorical question. No answer say some of them went into bad business and others used their money for politics. Not to say ebimo sika na enyo mu sika no. Just say bank wo di sika koto. Yemba say me say me de metensi dis koto a. Me de metensi dis akoto no. Now no nipa na bank ne ye ne de no. Won no di sika no e ko support some politician bi. Etie for no ne asem da ho. Won no na de mimi sika e bia politician no de sika no go support kra no me politician no me ndi nechi ana me mpena asem ono de mimi sika e go support politician osanso che say wo mu de sika no e ko bad business na che say wo mu de sika no e ko ye enyama fofra sika no sebe interest ambaso ana de ese ba no a wo munya edi shame no ye sa interest na profit no amba. I say Capital Bank, you say Capital Bank, and no na Mensa Otabo, yes, were your board chairman. I say Capital Bank was supported with 600 million by Mahama. That is Mahama was no Capital Bank say womonso omuko ahunhenhe mu kakra and President Mahama can say okay, mo de mo akwa ahunhenhe mu am the 600 million poly 600 million. New currency 600 million. And Mahama did my Capital Bank for say okay mo de mo akon heye mu a ye de 600 million be den e be support mo na che se mu ejina ye and Kennedy Agyapong prove and I was also state says 600 million ni mu a ye de mo no wo mo te 130 million e ye Capital Bank for no et 130 million if 600 million nim and as 130 million no wo mo edc bank wo mo to bank ni din sovereign bank. That is a bank egu aban abem 600 million say for support your bank no. That is 600 million no. What is it can be efim? Ama wo dey akote bank for. And when they got the license, they withdrew 100 million of the money and left 30 million. Not just say, one of the 130 million J license, say one more the bank. And you share one capital, you say, okay, more than 130 million and a better bank. Yes, Muska, Intino, bank near Mama Coin, Amamati. Now, one more bank new year, more license, na pack and no more withdraw 100 million and a car 30 million. Not just say, one more year, Crocodile the John. Crocodile the John, Adanko Dada doing. But there's a license now and a human. Well, see, all these things went on. Royal Bank and the rest. The government has borrowed about 9 billion to cushion these banks. If not so, it will be like what is happening in Venezuela. Okay, I'll say, I buy a borrow a year 9 billion. Say, one more the tab banks here, China. And yes, sir, na the AC of Venezuela, no. The same thing, basically. But Venezuela, meaning the AC war. I'll say, you will have your money sitting in your bank account, but you are unable to withdraw. Not to say, so I didn't know AC of Venezuela. Was it Venezuela? Woko wa? Nkofu wo sika pa e wo account mu. Na so pass e bubu tumi yi sempua ana teku ntumi. Ete for mo ntwe mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo. Kennedy Japan Zema work as a Akufo-Addo is saving no. Osha, is he just trying to be political? Because we all know him as a politician. Is he just trying to be political? And as I said, now work and I said the Abba Ewum. Che wadwen e wo comment box me for me, that's it.